Have you ever looked at a piece of wood and wondered what you could create in just a few hours? The idea that woodworking has to take days, weeks, or months couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, some of the most beautiful, functional, and profitable wood projects can be completed in a single day. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of quick woodworking projects that not only save you time but also offer the potential to earn money. The beauty of these projects is that they combine simplicity, creativity, and practicality. They don't require advanced skills or expensive equipment, yet they yield results that look professional and polished. Whether you're a beginner eager to experiment or an experienced woodworker looking for fast turnaround items, this video is your guide to transforming raw wood into functional art, gifts, and products that people will love to buy. We're going to talk about how to approach a project efficiently, maximize your materials, and even think about how your creations can become a small business opportunity. By the end of this video, you'll feel inspired, equipped, and confident to create beautiful wood pieces that not only bring satisfaction but also put money in your pocket. So, let's dive in and see how a few hours of focused effort can lead to something truly remarkable. The first thing to understand about quick woodworking projects is that they are all about planning and efficiency. Unlike long-term furniture builds or large-scale woodworking endeavors, these projects are designed to fit into your schedule, often being completed in a single day. The key is knowing what materials to choose, how to manage your time, and how to balance creativity with simplicity. When you start, it's important to select wood that is easy to work with. Softwoods like pine, cedar, or poplar are excellent choices because they cut, sand, and finish quickly. Even scraps from previous projects can be transformed into beautiful items if approached creatively. Your workspace should be organized, tools ready, and your vision clear. Time spent planning often saves hours of frustration later, especially when you aim to complete a project in a day. One of the most rewarding aspects of these quick projects is how versatile they are. You can create functional home items like small shelves, cutting boards, or tablet stands. Each piece can be personalized with engravings, wood burning, or decorative finishes to make it stand out. Beyond functionality, aesthetic appeal is crucial. Customers aren't just buying utility, they are buying a piece of craftsmanship, a touch of natural beauty that enhances their living space. A successful day project is often the result of combining creativity with practicality. Imagine taking a simple wooden plank and transforming it into a chic wall shelf in just a few hours. The process starts with visualizing the end product, a mental image of what it will look like and how it will function. Once the concept is clear, gathering the right tools is essential. Basic tools like a saw, sander, clamps, and drill are often enough. The real difference lies in your approach, working methodically, measuring twice, and cutting once. Time management is another vital aspect. When you dedicate a single day to a project, each step must be purposeful. Start by preparing your materials, cutting your wood pieces to size, sanding them to remove rough edges, and planning any joinery or assembly. As you work, keep the end goal in mind, finishing the piece so it's both functional and visually appealing. Finishes like oils, stains, or simple sealants can be applied quickly and dramatically improve the final appearance, making your creation market-ready. The profitability of these projects is also worth noting. Quick turnaround items allow you to produce multiple pieces in a short time, increasing the potential for sales. Small, practical items are often in high demand because they are affordable, useful, and easy to gift. Think about pieces like wooden coasters, candle holders, or simple decorative boxes. All of these can be made quickly, yet they feel personal and handcrafted. When selling these items, presentation matters just as much as the product itself. Clean, attractive packaging and professional-looking photos can make your project feel more valuable to buyers. Beyond the products themselves, your creative approach can also set you apart. The way you incorporate natural textures, the grains of the wood, or unique shapes can make your items distinctive. Even small touches like carved patterns, rounded edges, or a smooth finish can elevate a simple piece into something that commands attention. Customers often appreciate when they can see the human touch, the small imperfections that show the piece was lovingly crafted. Efficiency doesn't mean rushing. It means working intelligently. For instance, you can prepare multiple pieces simultaneously. Sand several boards at once, cut them to size in one session, and assemble your items in an organized workflow. This not only saves time but also ensures consistency, which is particularly important if you plan to sell multiple units. In a single day, a well-organized woodworker can complete several projects that are all ready for sale. An often overlooked aspect is creativity in using leftover materials. Many woodworkers have scraps that seem too small or awkward to use. However, with imagination, these scraps can become charming items that sell quickly. Small wooden trays, decorative signs, or even tiny plant holders can be made from pieces that would otherwise go to waste. By thinking resourcefully, you not only save money but also produce eco-friendly crafts that appeal to a growing market of environmentally conscious buyers. Another essential tip is simplicity. Quick projects thrive on clean lines and uncomplicated designs. The goal isn't to overcomplicate but to create pieces that look polished and finished in a short time. Minimalist designs often sell better because they fit easily into any home or office decor. When your project is simple, you also reduce the chance of mistakes and speed up the finishing process, allowing you to complete and sell your work faster. Marketing your creations is equally important. Today, social media platforms and online marketplaces make it possible for small woodworkers to reach a wide audience. Posting clear, well-lit photos of your projects, sharing your creative process, and telling a story about your pieces can attract buyers who appreciate handmade work. Engaging with your audience by sharing tips, behind-the-scenes shots, or even short tutorials can build a loyal customer base eager to purchase your items. One of the most satisfying aspects of these quick projects is the feedback and motivation you get from completing them. There's a unique satisfaction in taking a piece of raw wood and turning it into something tangible and beautiful in just a few hours. This sense of accomplishment fuels creativity and encourages you to take on more ambitious projects. Over time, these small wins can add up to a full-fledged woodworking business, starting with just a few hours of effort each day. Even if you are just starting out, the principle remains the same. Small, fast projects are your gateway to learning and growth. Each project hones your skills, teaches you new techniques, and improves your efficiency. You'll start noticing patterns in what sells, which finishes look best, and how to optimize your workflow. By consistently creating quick projects, you'll gain confidence, expertise, and a growing collection of products ready to sell. Lastly, remember that passion is a powerful ingredient. When you enjoy the process, your work shines through. Buyers can often sense the energy and care invested in a handmade item. By focusing on projects you genuinely enjoy, you're more likely to produce pieces that are not only beautiful but also resonate with customers, creating a lasting impression and repeat sales. When it comes to woodworking, speed doesn't mean rushing, it means working smart. Quick projects challenge you to think creatively and use your time efficiently. You begin to see how every cut, every finish, and every touch of sandpaper contributes to the final look. The beauty of one-day builds is how they sharpen your instincts and boost your confidence. The more you create, the faster you understand design flow, balance, and function. Each project becomes not just another item to sell, but a valuable lesson in mastering your craft and refining your artistic style. So, as we wrap up today's video, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. Quick woodworking projects are not just about saving time, they are about maximizing creativity, efficiency, and profit. The ideas and strategies we've discussed prove that with the right approach, you can create beautiful, functional, and sellable wood items in a single day. Remember, every piece of wood holds potential. The logs, planks, and scraps in your workshop are waiting for your imagination to transform them into something extraordinary. Even simple projects can carry immense value if they are made with care, attention to detail, and a clear vision. Whether it's a small shelf, a decorative box, or a candle holder, these items show that speed and quality can coexist. Selling your work is about more than just the product, it's about the story and craftsmanship behind it. Customers appreciate handmade items that are personal, authentic, and thoughtfully designed. By taking advantage of social media, online marketplaces, and local sales opportunities, you can reach a wide audience eager for these one-day wonders. As you move forward, keep experimenting, learning, and creating. Try new designs, test different finishes, and push your creativity within the framework of quick projects. Each piece you complete in a day adds to your skills, confidence, and portfolio, all of which contribute to your potential as a successful woodworker and entrepreneur. Before you go, if this video inspired you or gave you ideas to start your own woodworking journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new idea that could help you transform simple wood into beautiful, sellable creations. Thank you for watching quick woodworking projects you can complete in a day and sell. Remember, every day is an opportunity to create, innovate, and turn your passion into profit. Your next masterpiece could be just a few hours away. Keep crafting, keep dreaming, and keep building your success, one quick project at a time.